Hi everyone, welcome to challenge number 14. Here is the figure and the information given is that PQ is a tangent to the circle with center O meeting the circle at point Q. PRS is a secant to this circle. OM is angle bisector of angle ROS. MS length is 4 centimeters, angle RPQ is equal to 25 degrees and angle RQP is equal to 55 degrees. Find the radius of the circle. Well, the first thing that we do is the line drawn from center of the circle to tangent is perpendicular to tangent at the meeting point. So OQ is perpendicular to PQ. Angle OQP is equal to 90 degrees and therefore angle OQR is equal to 35 degrees. 90 minus 55. OQR is an isosceles triangle because OQ and OR both are equal to radius. Hence angle ORQ is equal to angle OQR, that is equal to 35 degrees. Angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus 25 plus 55, that is equal to 100 degrees. Why? Because in triangle PRQ, sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Well, ORS is once again an isosceles triangle. OR and OS both are equal to the radius. So angle ORS is equal to 180 minus angle PRQ plus angle ORQ, which is equal to 45 degrees. Angle OSR is equal to angle ORS is equal to 45 degrees. It's an isosceles triangle. Angle ROS is equal to 90 degrees because sum of angles in a triangle is 180. ROS is right-angled isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, median, altitude, angle bisector, all the three are same. Hence, OM is also perpendicular to RS. Hence, RS is equal to 2 times RM, that is equal to 8 centimeters. And from Pythagoras theorem, OS square plus OR square is equal to RS square. Let the radius of the circle be R. Hence 2R square is equal to 64 and therefore R is equal to square root of 32.